Hello everyone, this is Joe for Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Eureka Specialita with us in the shop. And I came in for two issues. One, that the grinder was actually getting clumped up. It was clogged on the inside of the grinder, and then also the clump buster inside of there. The metal prong, one of them was bent a little bit to the front, which is causing cloggage in the coffee. I cleaned out the whole burr chamber, cleaned out the burrs, took out that clump buster, and then hammered it back into place. This is most likely better than bending it back, just because you form the metal back to straight. Usually you want to replace those when they break off, but I didn't see that they were broken, so we hammered it back in place. Now, we were going to replace the burrs on these ones. Sadly, we didn't have the burrs in stock. We have the similar burrs set, but they're actually filter coffee, so they don't grind fine enough for espresso. Good thing the original burrs are still working. They're more on the end of its life cycle. I would say you have about a year or so left on these burrs before they get too coarse. So we would have to replace them at a different time. But yeah, we are going to just test the grinder as it is. I'm going to just pour right into my hand here. As you can see, it's grinding nice and fine coffee, nice and pillowy, and depending on the roast, this should be really good and, more good. I tried brewing espresso with this one on our Bianca. I was able to get 10 to 11 bars of pressure, so you should be able to brew a nice espresso with this grinder. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.